family and friends, I'm going to show you a simple way how to make a body scrub with just 5 ingredients. Actually, yes, 5 ingredients. I'm using white sugar, turmeric, honey, baking soda, and coffee with lemon. Okay, so before you put anything directly in your mouth, on your hair, on your skin, please make sure you wash them very well. I washed this beautiful bowl. So what I'm going to do now is to add my honey. Make sure you put enough honey. Okay, after the honey, I'm going to add my turmeric. I got another one here, so then I'm going to add some baking soda. You want to lighten your skin, because me, I love my skin so much. Okay, so I'm not planning to lighten my skin. I just use that to remove the dark spot from my body. Add coffee. And then get your lemon, squeeze them. Okay, just squeeze the lemon. And squeeze the other one. Make sure you put enough lemon. I'm gonna use it to exfoliate my whole body. And you mix them together. Okay, mix, then you mix together. Keep on mixing. Okay, don't be afraid, just use that, because it helps people who want to lighten their skin. You want to lighten your skin, or you want to remove darker spots from the body, that's what you do. Okay, once you finish stirring them together, you use a little brush like this. Okay, you use the brush to remove it from the spoon, and then I'm gonna use a little bit to show you how I exfoliate my skin, and just put that and just keep on massaging the area, exfoliating the skin with the sugar, and just keep on doing it, and just keep on doing it, and just keep on doing it. Keep on rubbing it in that same area, and then do the same thing like that. Make sure you scrub your skin. You are actually using it for body scrub. You are scrubbing your skin very well. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, just to use my hand, I'm just gonna show you an example. Just do like this with your hand, and just keep on scrubbing your skin, because you're exfoliating your whole body. And just keep on doing it, and just keep on doing it. Make sure you do that, please. When you have, after this, keep it for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, make sure you bath with warm water. Do not use hot water on your skin, especially your face. Never use hot water on your face. It's not good. I always use cold water on my face, but on my body I use warm water. And I ain't gonna lie, people love my skin. Okay, and also it's important as a lady, it's good to keep yourself fresh, it's good to keep yourself, you need to smell very good. Okay, and then once everything is finished with that, you remove it. You can add your lavender essential oil with it. You can add your rosemary essential oil with it. If you got anything at home, you add those ones with it, and then you exfoliate your whole skin. You can see the difference. Okay, compared to this and compared to that, you see the difference. They are very, very clean and soft. Okay, it's very, very clean and soft. That's how you exfoliate your skin. Okay, I'm going to use this to scrub my whole body, leave it on my skin for 30 minutes, and then rinse it up with body wash. Not hot water, cold water, at least warm water, please. Do not use hot water on your face and your body. If you want to look younger, if you want to look sexy, you want to look beautiful, always important to look after your skin very well. Okay, have a blessed day and God bless you. Thank you so much for everything from TGK Beauty.